Dog. Dogs are loyal pets that love to play and bark. Cat. Cats are playful pets that love to purr and nap. Elephant. Elephants are huge and gentle animals with long trunks. Lion. Lions are strong and brave, known as the king of the jungle. Tiger. Tigers are fierce big cats with orange and black stripes. Giraffe. Giraffes have very long necks to reach tall trees. Monkey. Monkeys are clever and love swinging from trees. Horse. Horses are fast runners and loyal riding animals. Cow. Cows give us milk and are calm farm animals. Sheep. Sheep are fluffy animals that give wool. Pig. Pigs are smart animals that like to roll in mud. Goat. Goats are playful farm animals that love climbing. Chicken. Chickens lay eggs and cluck happily on farms. Duck. Ducks love swimming in water and quacking. Frog. Frogs can jump high and croak loudly. Rabbit. Rabbits are soft, fluffy, and love to hop. Bear. Bears are big and strong, some like honey. Panda. Pandas are cute bears that love eating bamboo. Koala. Koalas sleep a lot and eat eucalyptus leaves. Kangaroo. Kangaroos carry babies in pouches and jump high. Zebra. Zebras have black and white stripes and run fast. Deer. Deer are gentle animals with graceful movements. Fox. Foxes are clever and have bushy tails. Wolf. Wolves live in packs and howl at night. Owl. Owls are wise birds that hunt at night. Eagle. Eagles are strong birds that can fly very high. Parrot. Parrots are colorful and can mimic human speech. Crow. Crows are smart black birds that can solve problems. Penguin. Penguins are birds that cannot fly but swim well. Seal. Seals are playful sea animals that love water. Dolphin. Dolphins are friendly sea animals that love jumping. Whale. Whales are giant sea mammals that sing songs. Shark. Sharks are strong fish with sharp teeth. Octopus. Octopuses have 8 arms and are very smart. Crab. Crabs walk sideways and live near water. Lobster. Lobsters live in the sea and have big claws. Turtle. Turtles carry shells and move slowly. Tortoise. Tortoises are slow land animals with hard shells. Snake. Snakes slither and some can be venomous. Crocodile. Crocodiles are strong reptiles that live in rivers. Alligator. Alligators are reptiles with big jaws and sharp teeth. Chameleon. Chameleons can change their color to blend in. Salamander. Salamanders are small lizards that live near water. Butterfly. Butterflies are colorful insects that fly gracefully. Bee. Bees make honey and buzz from flower to flower. Ant. Ants work together in colonies and carry food. Spider. Spiders spin webs to catch insects. Ladybug. Ladybugs are small red insects with black spots. Grasshopper. Grasshoppers jump high and make chirping sounds. Cricket. Crickets chirp at night using their wings. Caterpillar. Caterpillars crawl slowly and turn into butterflies. Dragonfly. Dragonflies are fast insects with shiny wings. Mosquito. Mosquitoes bite and can spread diseases. Fly. Flies buzz around and eat food scraps. Falcon. Falcons are fast birds of prey. Peacock. Peacocks have colorful, beautiful tail feathers. Swan. Swans are graceful birds that swim elegantly. Goose. Geese make honking sounds and swim in lakes. Turkey. Turkeys are big birds often eaten at festivals. Bat. Bats fly at night and use echolocation. Raccoon. Raccoons are clever animals with masked faces. Skunk. Skunks spray a smelly liquid for defense. Hedgehog. Hedgehogs roll into a ball for protection. Porcupine. Porcupines have sharp quills to stay safe. Armadillo. Armadillos have hard shells to protect themselves. Sloth. Sloths move slowly and sleep a lot. Lemur. Lemurs are active at night and have big eyes. Meerkat. Meerkats stand tall to watch for danger. Otter. Otters are playful water mammals that slide and swim. Walrus. Walruses have big tusks and live in cold seas. Porpoise. Porpoises are small, playful sea mammals. Manta ray. Manta rays glide gracefully in the ocean. Clownfish. Clownfish live in sea anemones and are colorful. Seahorse. Seahorses are small fish that swim upright. Starfish. Starfish have 5 arms and live in the sea. Jellyfish. Jellyfish are soft and float in the ocean. Oyster. Oysters make pearls in the sea. Squid. Squids have long arms and swim fast in the ocean. Camel. Camels have humps and survive in deserts. Donkey. Donkeys carry loads and are strong farm animals. Buffalo. Buffaloes work on farms and love muddy water. Yak. Yaks are hairy animals that live in cold mountains. Reindeer. Reindeer pull sleighs in snowy places. Moose. Moose are large deer with big antlers. Antelope. Antelopes run very fast in grasslands. Rhinoceros. Rhinos have thick skin and a big horn on their nose. Hippopotamus. Hippos spend time in water and have huge mouths. Gorilla. Gorillas are big apes that live in forests. Chimpanzee. Chimpanzees are smart primates and love climbing. Orangutan. Orangutans have long arms and live in trees. Baboon. Baboons are monkeys with funny faces and tails. Hedgehog. Hedgehogs are small, spiny animals that roll up for safety.